At the University of Sunderland, students can expect to study on the mechanical engineering course an array of different mechanical principles, so first fundamental principles, finite element analysis, design for manufacture and thermodynamics. In terms of the teaching, we offer, where possible, a problem-based learning approach so students can contextualise any theory that we deliver to them. We have the latest 3D printing technology, we have white light scanners, blue light scanners, augmented reality, virtual reality and the latest computer-aided design packages.
Engineering has always been a hobby of mine. From building robotics, engineering has run through the family, through my dad, through my brother, through my grandfather. So I decided to take on the challenge.
My favorite about the course is I got a hands-on experience on actually how to design a manufacturing plan for the product. And I actually get the hands-on experience to the industry, how to design a product and decide how to maintain those machines.
Facilities are amazing, lots of equipment, the workshop is amazing. The professors and the lecturers here, they give you a lot of assistance.
The part of robotics and other projects that interest me is mainly the coding and the hands-on, since it's very satisfying to correct your own errors and improve your own projects.
Obviously there's a lot of trial and error involved, and it's the way that you need to do that most efficiently that's the most important, especially in the real world.
Students in the first year have the opportunity to engage in a competition called the IMechE Challenge. The IMechE is the Institute of Mechanical Engineers. This is a design competition where all the regional universities come together with their designs. The regional winners of that competition then go down to London for a final against other universities in the country.
The most memorable module for my course is the advanced maintenance practice. It teaches me a lot on how to maintain the machine and keep it under well condition, and the strategy on management the asset is helped me a lot on develop in my career.
Students do their first year, and by the end of the second year they can begin to apply for placements. Placements include Formula One in terms of Red Bull, McLaren. They also include local and national manufacturing companies such as Jaguar Land Rover, Caterpillar and Nissan.
After the university, I'm looking for the role of project management, as the skill in my course is very transferable in the engineering sector. Many jobs can apply them, like civil engineering or the electrical one. They still need the project management skill on them.
After studying the mechanical engineering degree, there are numerous opportunities for students to go and pursue careers in the aerospace industry, automotive industry, nuclear, defence, lots and lots of different sectors, also including oil and gas and subsea.